Hey sis, I'm Sam, and today I am serving you weekend chore realness, no makeup, mom bun, and I need to clean cloth diapers. So if you want to learn how I clean cloth diapers, then keep on watching. Before we actually get into washing these cloth diapers, I need to let you know that after every diaper change, I pull out the diaper inserts. I use pocket diapers and cloth wipes, so if you want to learn more about those, I will have a video linked in the description below. Now we're in my laundry room and I have a very simple washing machine. It's a top load washer and it gets the job done. Here you can see the settings that I am putting the washer at to clean these cloth diapers. This is a medium load. The water temperature is going to be hot. I'm going to do an extra spin and extra rinse, or I should say that the other way around, an extra rinse and an extra spin. And then I am going to soak these diapers for about 15 to 30 minutes before the washing actually begins. Here's another little breakdown of washer settings. No matter what your washer brand is, make sure you take a quick little screen capture or picture of the settings here so you have them for future reference. A little pro tip when it comes to choosing the load size, make sure you have enough diapers to make a full load, or you can add towels, dirty towels to the wash to make sure that there's enough in there to make a full load. If there's not enough laundry in there, the diapers won't be completely clean because they won't be knocking into each other, scrubbing up against each other, and getting all of the gross bodily fluids out of those diapers. There are a lot of different types of detergents out there, and I prefer to use the powder Tide detergent. Nothing is left behind in those dirty diapers. We don't want that. And I use a lot of this, so I am set up on the Amazon Subscribe and Save to save 15% off, having it shipped to my house every single month. Now I've grabbed the diapers in my reusable laundry hamper. Hold your breath because woof. Everything goes in there, including the reusable laundry hamper. Those are going. Time to nurse the baby. What else is new? There have been a few times where I have decided to wash the diapers on 2 cycles. If I do that, I make sure to fluff the diapers up before I add more water in there, just so that they're not all caked to the bottom. In this cycle, didn't need to do that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take these out and throw them in the dryer. Got to take the lint out because these cloth diapers in the inserts specifically, they really kick off a lot of lint. So I want to get the old lint out. Mine, quarter, heck yeah. The biggest thing if you are drying your diapers in the dryer is to never, ever, ever use dryer sheets. You don't want to use dryer sheets because the sheets will make your diapers less absorbent, and that really defeats the purpose, right? You need those diapers to be absorbent. With my pocket diapers, I have snaps, and I feel like with the elastic and the snaps and the outer shell, that medium heat works best. It's not too hot, not too cool to where it's going to take forever to dry. Sometimes I do have to dry them on 2 cycles to get them completely dry. And then just a pro tip, because with everything we have going on in our lives, our busy mom lifestyles, maybe you have other kids, maybe you're just a busy person, you're going to want to use the alarm on your dryer. Don't try to commit it to memory that you're gonna remember to get those diapers out, because the baby's gonna need those diapers like ASAP. So you need to get those diapers out or run them on a second cycle as soon as possible. So don't think that you're gonna be able to remember it all. Set that alarm. Now it's time to swaddle this baby up and get him down for a nap and move on with our day.
The next day.
All right, these diapers are done, and like I said, they kick off a lot of lint. They're completely dry. I'm just gonna put them in my bin and go on to stuffing these diapers and getting them put away. I have the best of intentions of getting all of these diapers stuffed and ready to go, but it never fails. I get pulled away several times to break up a fight between my toddlers, to wipe someone's booty. Potty training moms, you know a little something about that. But don't be discouraged. It's okay if you don't get them all stuffed. Just, count your blessings, put them back in the bag, and go on about your day. That's it, sis. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you have any other questions about cloth diapering, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.